Hello, in this video, I will try to answer frequently asked questions about the medication NABUMETONE. If you find the video helpful, you can support my channel by liking and subscribing. What is NABUMETONE and what is it used for? NABUMETONE is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug used to relieve pain and inflammation. It is commonly prescribed for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. NABUMETONE is available in 500 mg and 750 mg tablets. How should NABUMETONE be used? NABUMETONE should be taken exactly as prescribed by your doctor. It is usually taken once or twice daily with food. Here are some specific dosing guidelines. Osteoarthritis. Initial dose, 1000 mg orally once daily. Maintenance dose, 1000 to 2000 mg day orally and a single daily dose or divided every 12 hours. Do not exceed 2000 mg per day. Rheumatoid arthritis. Initial dose, 1000 mg orally once daily. Maintenance dose, 1000 to 2000 mg day orally and a single daily dose or divided every 12 hours. Do not exceed 2000 mg per day. Dose adjustments. Moderate renal impairment. Initial dose of 750 mg day. Do not exceed 1500 mg day. Severe renal impairment. Initial dose of 500 mg day. Do not exceed 1000 mg day. Take NABUMETONE with food to reduce the risk of stomach and intestinal problems, such as ulcers or bleeding. Avoid alcohol, as it can increase the risk of stomach bleeding. If you are using this medication long-term, regular medical checkups are important. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Do not double the dose to catch up. Who should not use NABUMETONE? NABUMETONE should not be used by individuals who are allergic to aspirin or other NSAIDs, or those with active stomach or intestinal ulcers. It should also be avoided by people with severe liver or kidney impairment. Things to do before using NABUMETONE. NABUMETONE may interact with other NSAIDs, blood thinners, corticosteroids, certain blood pressure medications, and diuretics. You should not start NABUMETONE without consulting your doctor if you are taking any other medications. NABUMETONE is not recommended during pregnancy, especially in the third trimester, as it may harm the unborn baby. It is also unknown if NABUMETONE passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before using this medication while breastfeeding. What are the common side effects of NABUMETONE? Common side effects include nausea, stomach pain, indigestion, dizziness, headache, and drowsiness. If any of these side effects become severe or persist, you should contact your doctor. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated with new content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.